Hello everyone, I am Barkha from InShort Tech in Webner. Today in this video, I am going to explain AL3 to E labels for ACORD 125, 126 and 127 form mapping with the single AL3 file for commercial package. In my previous video, I explained how you can convert AL3 file data into E labels for ACORD 125, 126 and 127 forms mapping by taking three separate AL3 files to fill these three forms. But now I will demo how to convert a single commercial package AL3 file into ACORD 125, 126 and 127 forms. So here I am using a single commercial package AL3 file with multiple PIGs groups, where each PIG group is for a different line of business under this single commercial package policy. Although in this file I have several PIG groups for different commercial lines. But for this demo, I will focus only on commercial auto, commercial package and commercial general liability PIG groups. So let's start with the process. Now we need to go to the Postman application. You need to import the AL3 parser API collection. You can download it from the website. I have already done that. As you know, we need to go to the login endpoint and fill in our username and password. I have already filled it up. Now in the user secret key parameter, we need to fill the key. I have already copied the key and will paste it here. So the key has been pasted. Now I'll hit the send button. You will see the output is generated. You can see the access token. As you know, this generated access token can be used automatically by the rest of the endpoints. Now I will directly jump to the list supported forms. Now I will hit the send button and you will see the output is generated. So you will find there are multiple forms list. So firstly I will copy the ACORD 125 form name. Now I will click on the following E label, which is AL3 to E label endpoint. I'll go to the body tab and in the input file parameter I will upload the AL3 file of commercial package. And in the form name parameter, I will paste the name of ACORD 125 form. Now I'll hit the send button. The output has been generated. So you will see the E labels and its corresponding key values. I will now proceed with the same approach with the remaining forms. I am headed to the list supported forms now. This time I will copy the form name of ACORD 126. I am going to the AL3 to E labels endpoint. The file will remain same. In the form name parameter, I will paste the name of ACORD 126. Now I'll hit the send button. The output has been generated. I will follow the same procedure once again with my final form ACORD 127. I will go to the list supported forms endpoint. Now I will copy the ACORD 127 form and paste it into the next endpoint, which is AL3 to E labels. We are using the same AL3 file this time as well. In the form name parameter, I will paste my copied name. Now I'll hit the send button. The output is generated. So you have got each form's E labels with AL3 data mapped into different fields. We will now merge the E labels data of all three forms into a single form to fill all the three forms together and open all the forms together in the browser. You will not only see the AL3 data pre-populated into the forms, but you will also be able to edit the data and save it, as I will demo shortly. As you know, I need to import the Form Cruise API collection here in Postman. In the login endpoint, I need to fill in my email address and password. In the next parameter, which is security token, I need to fill in the security token. I have already copied from the Form Cruise websites from the configuration menu. Now I'll hit the send button. The output has been generated. Now I am going straight to the fill PDF multiform JSON endpoint. You can find the JSON data here. You will see the e-labels and their corresponding values. At the top you will see the form title and below its e-labels. We begin with Accord 125 form title and then list its e-labels below. If you scroll down, you will see the Accord 126 form and its e-labels below. Next we have Accord 127 form and its e-labels data. So I have already copied all the e-labels from AL3 to e-labels endpoint. Now I will hit the send button. And you will see the download PDF link of each form. But near the end you will see the form link, which is the multi-form link. By clicking on it, you can view each form separately. I will click to launch this link. So all the forms are opened. By clicking on different tabs, you can view them individually. You can also change the values here in Form Cruise. Once you are done with editing, you can choose to click the merge and download button at the top. By using this button, we can combine all the forms into one and download it. Let me click on this button. The form has been downloaded. Now I will open the downloaded form. So all the forms have been merged and combined. And this is a single PDF with all the forms concatenated into this PDF. I had explained in my past videos how you can add your own custom documents like driving license, property or auto documents, etc. along with the Accord forms to create a docket of all these documents into a single PDF. So this is how the process to convert AL3 to multiple Accord forms works. I hope this video was useful. I will be back with another video very soon. If you need any help with AL3 Accord forms, AMS, CRM, PMS or any other InsurTech solutions, please contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.